This is Electrowell brand 35 kVA ear lug welder. For welding this type of ear lugs on the tin cans. These are tin cans. On the side of the cans we can weld the ear lugs. Here we will show the parts that we have utilized. This over here is the microcontroller for setting the parameters. This one here is a low weld switch. This port is used for the current adjustment of the welding job. This is squeeze time adjuster. This one here is a weld time adjuster. This over here is a fold time adjuster. Here we have a FRL. We have to connect here this air inlet. This is a pressure adjuster knob. You can adjust the pressure depending upon the job. This is a gauge for pressure adjustment. This here is the air filter. Here is the drain knob. This is air lubricator. And this over here is the solenoid valve. At the bottom we have a current collector. At the moment we have kept the current at tap number 5 for welding the ear lugs. This over here is the pump on-off switch for cooling the welding electrodes. Then we have a foot switch for welding the ear lugs to the can. Here there is a pump for circulating the water in the electrodes so that they don't get heated while in production. Now we'll show you the actual working of the machine. Just see how it does. We'll put this weld no weld switch on the weld side. Current we adjusted say about 90%. Squeeze time we adjusted at 50 cycles. Weld time adjusted about 6 cycles. This is the fourth time again we adjusted to 50 cycles. Now we'll clamp the job and show you how it welds. Proper circle, then we press the foot switch. The welding taking place. This is how it's welded. This is the Electrowell brand 35 kVA ear lug welder. For welding the ear lugs on the tin cans, 4 liters. We'll show you the parts. This is a microcontroller. This is an on-off switch for the controller. This is a weld no weld switch. This over here is a current adjustment knob. This here is a squeeze time adjuster. This is a weld time adjuster, and this is a fold time adjuster. At the bottom we have a current collector switch that we have kept at the moment at number 5, and this one over here is a welding foot switch. Here we have 2 clamping cylinders, this and this. These are the chromium, zirconium, copper contoured electrodes to hold the ear lugs. Having magnet inside, if you put a lug here, it will be held without any efforts. And these over here is the internal chromium, zirconium, copper electrodes. When we press the foot switch, these 2 electrodes come together like this. Now we'll mechanical working of the machine. We'll show you the welding once again. See how the gearlocks are held with the magnetic electrodes. Then we put the can in the proper circle. Then we press the foot switch. The welding taking place.